Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alicia here. Welcome back to our channel. Y'all, I have this brand new EasyContour V-part unit for you guys. This looks just like my natural hair when it's silk pressed. It has a ton of texture and I'm absolutely loving the fit on this one. As you guys can see, this is their EasyContour V-part wig. So you do not have to pull any hair out. I'm going to show you guys different ways of wearing this unit. I took some hair out as well as I showed you guys what it will look like without any leave out. So definitely stay tuned to that. But with the cap construction, it's very comfortable. It does have this drawstring as well as those removable combs, just so that it gives you a nice, secure, easy contour fit. But again, y'all, this is the texture that I have mine in. It is a gorgeous yaki straight. The hair is jet black, so it should blend into most natural hair colors. What I'm going to do is take a little bit of some heat protectant, apply it throughout the hair, and get that hair nice and straight.
I don't get this. Took my pride out the way. Game's just a taste. You must not want this, cause you're wasting my time with the lies, telling me you were wrong. The brief flight, the connection never left it, cause you're distant, rejecting all your deceptions.
Okay, so now we're going to work on the leave out. You definitely want to take out a little more than what you need, just in case you want to cover that weft or your hair might come out a bit flat. But first things first, I'm going to apply my Mizani heat protectant cream as well as this super skinny serum, just because I want to protect my hair so I don't get any heat damage. I also am going to layer that with this Kimbo heat protectant spray. And I'm also going to use my Dyson Air Wrap with the brush attachment to just blow out my leave out. Yeah, I apologize for the way I'm looking. I literally just got out the shower. But what I'm going to do is section my hair off with the middle part. And then I'm going to take my Sotra Bombshell flat iron and straighten out my leave out. Okay, I'm back and I have some makeup on. But anyways, let's take a look at this cap construction. Again, this is their EasyContour V-part unit with the drawstring and removable combs. I'm just going to go ahead and apply those combs right into the parting area in my hair. Of course, if you're not taking out any hair, you'll want to just place these combs where you may have a braid. But because I have a leave out, I don't have any like cornrows in my hair or anything, but I went ahead and applied them. Also, please be careful with those combs because they really do pull at your hair. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and just cover up that weft with my leave out. Okay, so this is what that unit and my leave out is finally looking like. You guys can see my leave out blends right into this yaki texture. The color is A1. I wouldn't say it's a jet black. I'm thinking it's more like a really dark 1B. Now the length of this unit is, I believe, 24 inches long, and the density is very natural. This is where the hair falls on me, and you guys know I am 5'8". I'm absolutely loving the amount of body and shine this unit has. It also has a very natural silk press texture, so for those of you guys who don't like a silky straight, you will definitely love this yaki texture. Now what I'm going to do here is show you guys that you can get a few looks with this unit. You don't have to just wear it in your face. You can actually put the hair behind your ear and just do some really simple styles. I went ahead and took the unit off, and now I'm going to show you guys how I apply this with no leave out. But y'all, I'm gonna warn you, it don't really look that good on me because I have long hair, so yeah, y'all gonna see. Yep, I told you guys. But anyways, I see a lot of people doing the no leave out, and it works really well for them, just not for me. But anyways, y'all, again, this is their EasyContour V part unit. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.